moving.
So we
The
have
main event of Matrix Fight Night 5. Sandeep Dahiya versus Pawan Maan. This is a rematch, Rahul.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Pawan Maan.
Another great fighter, Rahul. Pawan is from Delhi, and interestingly, Pawan also has a boxing background. You know what, Rahul? Both these guys, back in the day, used to actually be sparring partners in boxing. So they've been fighting each other for a long time. Here, this is the last fight of the night. This is going to be nothing less than legendary. Let's look at the tail of the tape.
Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come for the main event of the evening. 3 5-minute rounds in the welterweight division. The 3 judges scoring this contest cage side are Muhammad Sami, Jeetu Jain and Mayank Dogra. And as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Daniel Isaac. And now, first we introduce the blue corner. Standing at 182 centimeters and weighing in at 76.2 kilograms, hailing from Delhi, put your hands together for Sandeep Dahiya! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He stands at 171 centimeters and hailing from Delhi, give it up for Pawan Maan!
Right, you both know the rules. Let's make it a good, clean fight. Obey my commands at all times. When you hear me say stop, please stop. If you want, touch gloves. If not, step back. Thank you.
Opponents को previous fights में खत्म किया है और पवन मान भी कोई कम नहीं है. Round 1 has started.
Ladies and gentlemen, the action begins. We've got Daniel Isaac as the referee in the cage. This is a rematch. This is the decider. Whatever was left unfinished at MFN3 in December 2019, these guys are here to crack it. These guys are here to steal it from each other.
और राहुल, जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया था, ये लोग जजेस तक नहीं जाने देंगे इस डिसीजन को. ये डिसीजन एक TKO से या सबमिशन से या जैसे भी खत्म होगा, बट ये जजेस तक नहीं जाएगा.
Sandeep has Pawan in his guard and maybe he's trying to lock in a kick. He doesn't have it still. All he's going to get is tired arms. Both the athletes have been fighting since 20 years. Got the father of Indian MMA, Daniel Isaac.
Oh, absolutely. Daniel is a legend.
Easy, easy. Sandeep, easy.
Daniel is a legend. He's known as the father of Indian MMA. काफी इंटरेस्टिंग पोजीशन आ रही है राहुल ग्राउंड पे.
Exactly what happened at MFN. Both the guys were in
Similar.
the same position.
Similar position.
Pawan got a foul here.
This is crazy, Rahul. It feels like we've time traveled.
Honestly, I've never seen Sandeep Dahiya working on leg locks. If he gets this, it's going to be amazing.
Did you see that?
I saw
Sandeep
that.
threw kicks on Pawan. This
I
was
saw
the
that.
same foul that had happened last time.
Well, again, both the fighters in the same position. Ah, Pawan takes him down, gets stuck in his guard, got the guillotine.
I think this time he has a better grip on Pawan's neck.
Honestly, when... Whoa!
Hard shots, man. Boy, remember, Rahul,
heavy
both these
leather.
guys are boxers.
Some heavy leather from Pawan. Well, I wouldn't... I don't know what Pawan is trying to do, but he's got the mount. I think this
This could be a
game over.
bad position for Sandeep.
This is actually a bad position for Sandeep, and if Pawan can lock this position, I think this is game over.
Hard shot there. Man, Pawan's hands are made of stone. If he gets 2-3 shots in from this position, that'll be it. Wow, vicious elbow.
Excellent
punch.
power at display. I think both these guys have vulgar power in their hands.
For sure, that's why it's so important right now for Sandeep to be careful. If he hits too many of those shots from this position, it'll be game over. We have only 15 seconds left on the clock, Rahul.
An excellent round between both these fighters at the main event of Matrix Fight Night 5.
Man, those elbows Pawan is mixing in between are
Vicious,
crazy.
vulgar. But let's see, round 2 begins. This is the main event of Matrix Fight Night 5, live from Palazzo Versace. The entire sporting industry is hit across the globe owing to COVID pandemic, and we have an absolute treat for all the MMA fans in
That's
the
what
country.
being a fighter is about, Rahul. No matter what happens, you still do what you gotta do. And that was a vicious leg kick by Sandeep.
In the second round, well, this is what I like about Pawan. You know, he makes the opponent run as if it's a marathon. We saw it happening. We saw it happening against Jason. We saw it happening at MFN3 against Sandeep.
It's his signature move. He runs after you with
I
those
think his punches have that brute force, and that's why people start running. That went like a bazooka.
Man, but Pawan seems to be alright. It doesn't seem to have shaken him.
These guys have been dedicated combat sports athletes, dedicated their life to boxing
And Pawan
initially,
is, yeah, exactly.
and then MMA. Wow, what a slip!
Still
Look
putting
at that!
the pressure.
Look
Pawan
at
is still
that!
putting the pressure on Sandeep after eating that vicious elbow. And he hits a knee right there. But he's still moving forward.
Wow! Look at the power!
Sandeep is coming up.
Oh my
Sandeep is
goodness!
hurt.
I think Sandeep
Sandeep
is
is
down. I don't think so. He's
That
hurt.
is insane. Sandeep is hurt, bro. This fight could end now.
I think
This is going to be over. Referee Daniel Isaac is going to stop this any second
It's
now.
over. I think the fight is over.
Referee Daniel Isaac is paying close attention. He's asking Sandeep if he's okay or not. A very, very experienced referee in the cage right now.
Well, Sandeep is still defending himself. I think the moment he stops defending, that's when the fight is over. These guys are not amateurs, they're veteran fighters.
Absolutely, and that
I
was
don't know
such
why,
fantastic refereeing, Rahul.
Pawan stopped throwing those vicious, vulgar punches.
Man,
He
you
should
get
continue.
tired. How many can you throw? How many of those can you throw? You
We're
get
talking
tired.
about veterans here. This is the main event. These guys should put up a show. Sandeep is tired. I think Sandeep is gassed out.
I think Pawan wants to
Doesn't
finish
have
it.
any more metal left in him. Pawan just trying to close distance, throwing in those vicious punches. That's the
Pawan is
power of
looking for the
Pawan's
knockout.
punches. Wasn't impactful at all. Oh, look at the slip. No, that was
Sandeep
the
landed
slip.
some good shots, but Pawan just came right back with his own attacks.
Ladies and
Oh
gentlemen,
my God,
this
that
is some
right
heavy
hand was
exchange
loud.
of leather.
You could have all the momentum, you could have all the points, but if you eat a gigantic hit from a beast like Sandeep, it could be good night.
Manan, what if it's a draw once again? Whoa!
Oh my God!
Sharing his experience with them.
Rahul, अभी देखो ये situation थोड़ी सी intense हो रही है. The main event of
We've got
Matrix
10
Fight
more
Night
seconds for the
5
fight.
is coming to an end, and what a fight it's
Honestly,
been!
even
What a fight,
still,
Rahul!
Sandeep's got the knockout power. We saw it against Abhishek Rana. Well,
There it
that
is.
was excellent. That was
And
excellent.
the round ends.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored about 27-30, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Pawan!
What a victory, Manan.
We've got the two stalwarts of the industry. Sandeep Dahiya taking on Pawan Man Singh. It's going to be a battle for the ages.
All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're going to have a clean fight. Touch gloves. Let's do it.
They both
Ready,
coming from a boxing
Ready.
background.
Do it.
The old dogs make their way for the fourth.
Whoa!
Oh, gets. I mean, that's what I'm talking about. Big swing and a miss. Oh, this fight's not going the distance this time. No chance.
You guys are swinging heavy. You guys.
Been carrying Sandeep Dahiya's
Well,
weight
both
all
these guys
night.
on the feet.
Okay, watch out for that haymaker.
Whoa!
Oh! Oh, big shot.
You can't
Uppercut.
box Pawan
Big
Man.
uppercut. Pawan Man now swinging.
Whoa!
Wow.
Telling you, man, Pawan Man.
Uppercut.
Elbow rock Pawan's world right now.
Oh, I didn't see that he got rocked by an elbow, but 10 seconds, can he hang on? To stand and bang and entertain the fans.
I'll call them the big dogs. Oh! Pawan Man charging in.
Man, Pawan Man looking for the takedown here. I wish he'd actually keep his distance and just score that uppercut of Pavan Man Singh. He loves throwing that uppercut close to the clinch, and he's got Sandeep on the back foot. Big, huge left hook and uppercut. Big knee. Oh man, Sandeep Dahiya, his mouthpiece is out. He's busting him up. Big elbow from Sandeep Dahiya, a huge elbow. Man, wow, these guys are just throwing for the... Come on, Herb, let it go.
Nice inside leg kick, mixing it up.
Very nice inside leg kick. Again, 3 times a row. And now watch out, he's going to throw that uppercut.
Sandeep looks really tired here, so is Pavan.
Again, it's just...
They're clashing.
Oh man, body shot! Body shot! The title or any sort of, picture towards